All right, we're in the midst of a winter blizzard in Colorado in March, and Elbert County has declared a state of emergency. Anybody stranded on the roads, their car will be pushed out of the way or towed. They've closed all the roads in the county, and I'm going to walk outside here and give you guys an idea of just how bad the wind is along with the snow. So you probably won't be able to hear me outside because of the wind. So we've got about a 4-foot drift in front of the house here, and then a 3-foot drift all the way up the driveway. And I took the ATV down the neighborhood, and there's another drift about half mile down. Couldn't get through. My neighbor's got his sewing machine going to dig out a lady that's stuck on the county road in her truck. So we'll see how that goes. But I'll walk outside here and give you guys an idea of what a Colorado blizzard is like. Here we go. Barely see it. Walk around the edge here. A little less wind back there. Hope that tree doesn't have any broken limbs when this is all said and done. So that's the main concern. But I'll walk out to the road, and you guys can see what zero visibility is feeling like. We've probably got about 20 inches of snow so far, and as you can see, that huge drift, when this wind dies down, that's going to be the chore to get that out of the way before it melts and turns into slush and ice. But they're calling for another 10 inches, which is not as bad as they initially thought the storm would be. So just another winter storm in Colorado. All you friends in Florida, enjoy that sunshine, will ya?